Perfect. Any other questions? Good stuff. Sorry about the technical difficulties, me not having my computer. But Braden's a good support person, and look at how well he's doing managing the internet for us.
There is one question. Oh, sorry, go for it.
John, I have just one follow-up question to that. If you have, say, like 10 drivers in Wisconsin and then 2 drivers in Florida and drivers in other states, under that state list, would I have to sign up with each one of those states that a driver lives in or is licensed in to have them?
Yes. So if you had 10 drivers in Wisconsin, you'd have to sign up for the Wisconsin PARS, P-A-R-S, on that list. If you then had 3 drivers in New York, you'd have to sign up for their LENS program, right? Okay. And then if you had 2 drivers in Illinois, you'd have to sign up for e-supervision in Illinois because there is no Illinois program within the state. Now, why would you not just join e-supervision for all of them? Because you want to save money, right? Mm-hmm. But you'd have to join New York and Wisconsin independently and then maybe join e-supervision for the rest. Yeah. Fair enough?
Yep, makes sense.
Yep, go ahead. Any other questions? Keep coming.
So there's a question in the chat here from Aiden, and he says, any tips to DataQ maintenance violations, like the one you gave us for the DBRD violation while using ELD, or no speaking English with that memo? Any other tips like that?
All right. There are a lot of tips as it relates to maintenance. One big thing with maintenance is go get the CVSA out of service book. Braden, go to your screen again.